Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com, where our aim is to simplify project management. In this video, I would like to take you through our revamped website designed to be your trusted companion in mastering project management intricacies. Whether you're gearing up for the PMP certification or exploring other professional certifications like CSM, ACP, or CAPM, PMCLounge.com remains to be your one-stop hub for all things project management. And not just certifications, the website is going to help you stay abreast with the project management industry trends, as well as answer and guide you on your specific project management career-related questions. So, as I was saying, we have recently undergone a transformative overhaul to enhance your browsing experience. So say hello to streamlined sections of the website that are meticulously arranged for a seamless navigation experience. We have decluttered the space, ensuring that you find whatever that you need even faster now. So without any further delay, let's dive in. Alright, so this is the official website PMCLounge.com, where PMC stands for Project Management Certifications, and our aim has always been to simplify project management. And the lounge here, it goes with the theme of simplifying. Just like you relax at a lounge, the way we explain project management to you, it should help you relax and it should help you not go crazy over all the technical jargons that you may find others using. All right, so these are some of the sections that you can see. We have our PMC Lounge Live. These are essentially the latest 5 articles or videos that we have done. PMP Prep content, you have some ads, our podcast, community members that share some experience with us. So all of these people have cleared their PMP exams, right? And if you want to know how their experience has been, you can go to any of their articles and videos and you can check that out. Lounge Access is where you can get personalized guidance. You can connect with me, and here are some of the videos and articles of the people that have basically connected with me in the past. Then there's a banner for our courses that we offer, PMP tips, info, and FAQs. We have Lounging Around, which helps you stay abreast with what's happening in the project management industry. And then there are industry reports that we cover from time to time so that you are aware of what's happening. Like these 3 talk about PMP salaries in different countries like USA, UK, UAE. So good to know information. Then we have categorized content. If you are looking specifically for something, right, you can click any of these links here and it will take you to the content that are relevant to what you are looking for. So let's say you're looking for quality management. Just click on quality management and I opened it in a new tab, but these are all the articles and videos that we have done so far around quality management, right? So this is how you navigate. These are the testimonials that people have submitted for PMC Lounge. You can always subscribe by entering your email address. We have over 1,500 subscribers on our website, so you get notified every time we do a new article on the website. You can connect with us on our socials, and then there's additional information that is available here as well. So I would also like to cover a bit about the menu here. Start here is where you actually start. If you don't know what PMC Lounge is, if you don't know what PMP certification is, start here is where you should go. And this page is essentially going to explain everything that you are looking for. It is going to answer your FAQs. It is going to answer what this website is all about. It is going to answer what PMP really is and how it can help you, right? Are you eligible for the PMP exam, right? What are the eligibility requirements? And what's on the PMP exam? 180 questions, 230 minutes. So all the good stuff around PMP certification, around how you can prepare, what is the cost for PMP, how we can help, how do you begin, right? Where exactly do you begin? All these questions are answered in the Start Here page. So definitely check that out. Then here are some of the courses that we offer. We have Project Management 101. This is the first video
that you should watch if you're starting off in the world of project management. You can buy our course PDF as well. We have 2 such sessions. Then we have project management for non-project managers. This is for those who do not have any project management background but want to get into project management. You can go to project management for non-project managers. This is the training program. It has 6 videos and you can go over all of these for free. It's available here. It's embedded here, 1 of 6, right? So these are 6 chapters for project management for non-project managers, essentially. We are available on Skillshare and Udemy. You can check that out as well. Then when we talk about resources, we have the PMP study plan. This is our very famous 50-day PMP study plan that you can download for free. If you go here, then we have PMP tips, info, and FAQs. We have PMP prep content. Now, if you're preparing for the PMP exam, this is where you need to come, right? PMP prep content under resources. Because here you will find all the basics, the standard for project management, the topics that are covered in the standard for project management, topics that you need to know for Agile, all the knowledge areas, right? All the 10 knowledge areas are covered here. Then we have PMP practice questions, and our YouTube playlists are also listed here, right? Where you can essentially go in, check out. Each of this link is essentially a link to one of our YouTube playlists for the specific topic. So all of this is comprehensively arranged, meticulously arranged, so that you can find all the information at one go. So then you have PMP Prep Books. What are some of the books that we recommend if you're preparing for the PMP exam? We have listed all of them here. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. But these are some of the books that we essentially recommend if you are preparing for the PMP exam. There are other project management certifications available out there. We do recognize that. And we talk about them. We have articles and videos on all of these different types of certifications that pertain to project management. So definitely check that out. We cover industry reports. Then we cover videos that help you stay abreast with what's happening in the world of project management out there. Lounging around is where you can go and check that out. Lounge Access is essentially our initiative where you can meet me directly and I will answer your questions. So this is personalized guidance consultancy of sorts, and there are several videos that are already available here. Here's some feedback that we have received from the folks that joined me in these Lounge Access sessions, and these are some of the video clippings that you can take a look at, and it is possible that you may have a question that I have already answered. If not, you can book some time with me by using this, or you can drop a note to admin@pmclounge.com. So that's what Lounge Access is about. We have a podcast called the PMC Podcast. Here, PMC does not stand for Project Management Certifications, but here it stands for Project Management Conversations. And I have invited some of the experts from the project management industry, and they've discussed the intricacies of project management. These all are experts in the field of project management, and if you follow our podcast, you are definitely going to benefit from the experts directly. Then this is PMC Lounge Live, our weekly live session. So you will see our past live streams are here. So this is where you can go in and check out our live streams that we do every week. This is called PMC Lounge Live. Then we have a community section. If you want to share your PMP exam experience, you can do so by going here. Or if you want to go over the PMP experience of those who are already certified, you can go here. So this page is where you can come in and you can share your PMP exam experience. We will publish it on the website itself. And these are some of the experience that other people have essentially submitted to us, right? All of these are PMP certified professionals. So definitely check this out. Continuing on the community, we also have testimonials. So many people come in, drop their testimonials, and I'm very, very thankful for all of them because they take the time out and they share their feedback by submitting a testimonial. If you want to see all the testimonials that we have, you can go to your testimonials. If you want to contribute to PMC Lounge, please do so by heading over to this link, and this helps us stay motivated. This helps us bring all this project management related content to you for free. So definitely consider contributing. And this is followed by all our social handles, right? So we are present on all these different social networking platforms. So definitely consider joining us there. And then finally, we have the contact page. This is the standard contact page. If you want to contact me for any of the services that I offer, I've worked with several organizations in the past as well that are listed here. And I look forward to work with others as well. By the way, I would like to also mention here, in the right sidebar here, you will find some quick links. We have the search option here. If you're looking for any specific project management related topic, you can search for it here. Then Project Management 101 training, although this video will be placed in this section because anyone who's visiting the website can go over this specific video that I'm doing right now so that they understand how to use the website. This is Lounge Access. If you're looking for personalized guidance, you can click here. If you want to shop for PMP, we have listed all our favorite books, the most bought PMP books, right? This will take you to Amazon India, basically. Then we have PMP preparation playlist, something that I've already showed you earlier. If you want to subscribe so that you don't miss an update, please enter your email address here and click on subscribe and join several others that have already done so. And I also talked about the contribute page that we have on the website. So I hope you like it. I hope this helps you in preparing for your PMP or other certification exam, as well as ensuring that you stay up to date with what's happening in the world of project management. Definitely consider subscribing if you're watching this on YouTube. We are all about PMP, project management, and other project management related certifications. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.